Hello friends, let's paint my alligator that I keep in my yard. I've had this thing for probably close to 25 years. I've had it since my children were young. I've painted it several times over and over. I pre-painted it in green chalk paint, and now you guys, we are just going to add some details with different color browns, tones, and cream colored tones. There's really not much to say about it other than I'm just going to let you guys watch me paint it because it's just adding details to it to make it look more realistic. It's just a super fun way to make your yard look cute and to add a little bit of fun. When your friends come over, they'll see this and they'll think it's pretty cool. I'm just thankful that I finally have the know-how to be able to do these kind of things. And I'm sure that you guys could all do the same. Just adding color and making it look the way you want it to look. This thing has been in flower beds. It's been next to the pool. It's been just out on a sidewalk. I've had it in all kinds of places at our home. I just absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things that I have. It's just fun to play with, and I figured we'd make it look real this year. I've never really came in and give it detail like this. I've always spray painted it or something like that. But this year we're doing detail, and we're going to try to make it look as realistic as possible. Which, I mean, of course, it's never going to look real, but it just kind of gives it more of a realistic look when you add the detail and the depth to it. It's just so much fun to play with these things. Okay, I'm going back in now and I'm adding some white to the teeth. I did like cream colors and kind of a cashew color, and now I'm adding white back to it because I just feel like it was way too brown looking. I want it to have depth. This here, you guys, is called Metallic Luster. I get it at Hobby Lobby. This is the iced espresso color, and it's just going to give it that texture to the head and to the body and stuff that alligators have. They have that two-toned look. Now I'm going to add some highlights to the eyes and kind of just, it's going to make it kind of glow when the light hits it. It's going to make it look like the eyes have like a twinkle in them. Okay, we're going to do the tail now. We're just going to add iced espresso to it, and the green paint is all we're doing to the tail. And we're going to do the same to the body as well. This is the body. You can see the chip out the bottom of it where I've had it, like I said, for so long. But you guys, I still love it. It's so cute. Here it is in the yard, y'all. Check this out. I absolutely love it. How cute is this going to be next to my pool? I love it, love it, love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys will take something yours and try to make it new again. And hopefully all your friends and family will see it, and they'll think that it's pretty awesome. Anyway, y'all, have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye, y'all.